Hello students, welcome to my video lecture Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Today is the second class of coordinate geometry. In first class, that is in last class, we shall discuss what is coordinate geometry, importance of coordinate geometry and distance formula. Also problems based on distance formula. Okay. Today we are going to discuss section formula, that is ratio formula, both internal and external division. Next one, area of a triangle, area of a triangle, area of a quadrilateral, area of a polygon, n-sided polygon. Okay, तो ठीक अच्छी फर्स्ट सेक्शन फार्मूला और डिवीजन फार्मूला. ओके, डिवीजन ऑफ ए लाइन सेगमेंट, डिवीजन ऑफ ए लाइन सेगमेंट in a given ratio. Okay, in a given ratio, in a given ratio. Given ratio. Okay, let AB be a line segment. Let AB be a line segment. Let AB be a line segment. Okay, and P be a point on the line. Point on the line. Okay, such that AP by PB is equal to M by N. AP by PB is equal to M by N. Then we say that, P divide the line segment AB in the ratio M is to N. Okay, P divides the line segment AB, the line segment AB in the ratio M is to N, in the ratio M is to N. Okay, okay, the division is internal or external. The division is internal or external if internal or external, the division is internal or external according as P lies inside the AB or outside the AB. P lies between A and B, or P lies outside AB. P lies outside AB. Okay, देखो, this is AB this is P. So P lies inside AB. This is internal division. This is called internal. This is the internal division. Okay. P lies outside AB. तो P lies outside AB. तो ये कौन कहती external. एमती हो पारे P टा either B साइड रही पारे कि A साइड रही पारे और ये भी हो पारे दिस इज A, दिस इज P, दिस इज A, दिस इज B, ये भी हो पारे है। तो AB रो A रो लेफ्ट रही पारे B रो राइट रही पारे। तो ये है हमारा कौन एक्सटर्नल, ये भी एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन, ये भी एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन। दिस इज इंटरनल डिवीजन, दिस इज एक्सटर्नल, बोथ आर एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन। Okay, both are external division. Okay, in case of external division, P lies outside AB. P lies outside AB. Okay. Towards B, if M is greater than N, if M is greater than N, or P lies towards A, or P lies towards A if M is less than N. तो P टा B पाख रहिबो ताले M ग्रेटर देन हबो, P टा जदि A रो पछकान रहिबो ताले से कोन हबो M इज लेस देन N हबो, M इज लेस देन N. ओके, सेक्शन फार्मूला और रेशियो फार्मूला। Okay, let the point P divide the line segment joining A and B. Let the point P having coordinate x comma y divide the line segment joining A bracket रे x1 comma y1 and B bracket रे x2 comma y2 in the ratio M is to N internally, then coordinate of P bracket x comma y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. देखो this is A point, this is B point, this is P. तो coordinate of A is x1 comma y1, coordinate of B is x2 comma y2. तो P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. This part is m and this part is n. तो P divides m is to n ratio. Then coordinate of P means P रो coordinate. तो m into coordinate of B plus n into coordinate of A divided by m plus n, m into coordinate of B plus n into coordinate of A, n into coordinate of A divided by m plus n. तो ये ला इंटरनल डिवीजन बर्तमान प्रूफ देख टी प्रूफ this is x axis, this is one y axis, this is origin, this is AB line. तो coordinate of A is x1 comma y1, coordinate of B is x2 comma y2, and this is P having let coordinate x comma y, let coordinate according to x comma y. So P divides the line AB in the ratio m is to n. This part is m and this part is n. So find the coordinate of P. Find the coordinate of P having coordinate x comma y अच्छी, तो x and y रे value बाहर करिवा in terms of x1 x2 y1 y2. Okay. So draw perpendicular from A to x axis meet at capital M. Similarly P रू draw करो perpendicular, ये n हबो, ये draw करो perpendicular, ये r हबो. Okay. Okay, AM let or draw AM comma PN and BR perpendiculars to x axis. Okay, axis meet at M comma N and R respectively. तो coordinate of M is x1 comma 0, coordinate of P is x comma 0, coordinate of R is x2 comma 0. ओके, तो ये x1, तो ये x1, ये x, ये x, ये x2, ये x2. ओके, अच्छा. नेक्स्ट, therefore OM is equal to x1 OM, ON is equal to x, OR is equal to x2. तो MN means ON minus OM is equal to x minus x1. Okay, NR is equal to OR minus ON is equal to x2 minus x. Okay, so this length is x minus x1, this length is x2 minus x. Again draw perpendicular ST, draw AS perpendicular to PN and PT perpendicular to BR. ओके, तो कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एस देखो ठीक है, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एस, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ एस, तो एस मीन्स व्हाट, दिस इज ON, ON मीन्स ये x ना, तो ये x अच्छी, तो ये भी x हबो. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ मीन्स ON कॉमा NS, तो ON मीन्स व्हाट, x x, NS इज इक्वल टू AM, तो इज इक्वल टू x कॉमा y1, दिस इज x कॉमा y1, x comma y1 because this is y1 length. Similarly t रो coordinate of t is equal to this is x2, तो x2 comma this is y, this length is y, this length also y, तो y, तो x2 comma y, x2 comma y. Okay, x2 comma y. Next PS PS is equal to PS is equal to Pn minus Sn. Pn minus Sn. So Pn, what Pn? Pn means this is y. Pn means y. Okay, like to the एटी कौन आसला आमर am. am means y1. am means y1 is equal to Sn. Okay, Pn is equal to y. Pn is equal to y is equal to Tr. Next, Br is equal to y2. Br is equal to y2. Okay, ताहले Pn केते आसला y, तो y minus Sn. Sn is y1. y minus y1. Next, Bt is equal to Br minus Tr. तो y2 minus y. y2 minus y. एतिक हम दरकार अछि. ओके, now triangle APS. Now triangle APS and triangle PBT. This is perpendicular are what? Similar. Okay, a triangle means a angle equal, either angle equal, third angle must be equal. Okay, by angle by angle. Therefore corresponding means ratio. Therefore there means कौन आसला मारो ratio of the sides are कौन आसीबो equal है कि. Therefore AS by PT. Therefore AS by PT is equal to PS by BT is equal to AP by PB. AP by कौन PB. AP by PB. Okay, अच्छा AS is equal to what? AS is equal to AS is equal to MN. So Mn means x minus x1. This is x minus x1. PT is equal to NR, x2 minus x. PS is equal to y minus y1. BT is equal to y2 minus y. Is equal to AP means M, PB means N. M by N. Okay, therefore x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x is equal to m by n. तो implies multiply करो nx minus nx1 is equal to mx2 minus mx. तो x जगह 1 छोटा बाहर करो, तो mx टाइप टू वन लिखना चाहिए प्लस mx प्लस nx इज इक्वल टू mx2 प्लस nx1. तो टेकिंग x इज ए कॉमन, तो m प्लस n इंटू x इज इक्वल टू mx2 प्लस nx1. ओके, तो व्हाट इज x? तो x इज इक्वल टू mx2 प्लस nx1 डिवाइडेड बाई m प्लस n. दिस इज x. Similarly taking y minus y1 by y2 minus y is equal to m by n and simplifying we get y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Okay, hello nahi. Therefore coordinate of P, coordinate of P is equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. This is the coordinate of P. Condition m naught is equal to minus n. M naught is equal to minus n. This is internal division. बर्तमान कौन चलता सब इंटरनल डिवीजन चलता है कि तो नोट मन रखा रहे नोट इफ P divides A and A ब्रैकेट रे x1 कमा y1 and B ब्रैकेट रे x2 कमा y2 in the ratio lambda is to 1 internally, then coordinate of P is lambda is to 1 m is to n तो m जगह lambda पकेबो n जगह 1 पकेबो तो lambda x2 plus x1 divided by lambda plus 1 comma lambda y2 plus y1 divided by lambda plus 1 lambda not is equal to minus 1. Okay, second one midpoint formula midpoint means kona na P lies P is the middle P, let P is the middle point between A bracket x1 comma y1 and B bracket x2 comma y2, then coordinate of P is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 यदि मिड पॉइंट हम ताले कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P is equal to sum of their abscissa divided by 2 plus sum of their ordinates divided by 2. ओके ये है मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला. तो ये लगला इंटरनल डिवीजन. नेक्स्ट कौन आसीबो एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन. नेक्स्ट एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन एक्सटर्नल डिवीजन like internal external division also external division. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is AB, this is A point, this is B point, this is P point. तो A रा कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1, B रा कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2, this is P रा कोऑर्डिनेट x, y. सेम वे रे प्रूव करने खाली कहि दउची हला. तो ये होल पार्ट इज m and this part is n. P divides AB, देखो P divides AB तो AP है m, PB है n. P divides, okay, P divides the line segment joining A bracket x1 comma y1 and B bracket x2 comma y2 in the ratio m is to n externally, then the coordinate of P, coordinate of P is equal to mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n comma my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Condition m not is equal to n. M is not is equal to what? n. Okay, तो डाला कौन हमारा external division. Okay, secondly if P divides the line segment joining A bracket x1 comma y1 and B bracket x2 comma y2 in the ratio lambda is to 1 externally, then coordinate of P lambda x2 minus x1 by lambda minus 1 comma lambda y2 minus y1 by lambda minus 1 lambda not is equal to 1 means m जगह lambda पड़ला n जगह 1 पड़ला ओके ఇలా lambda x2 minus x1 by lambda minus 1 comma lambda y2 minus y1 by lambda minus 1 ओके नोट टी मन रख टी नोट this is x axis, this one y axis. Okay, the ratio in which this is origin, the ratio in which x axis divides the line segment, in which x axis divides the line segment joining a bracket रे x1 comma y1 and b bracket रे x2 comma y2 in the ratio minus y1 is to y2 internally minus y1 is to y2 internally x axis divide करछि काहा को ab को in the ratio minus y1 is to y2 internally हैला जदी माइनस टा उठे दबा दैट इज y1 is to y2 external लिखा हो externally ओके जदी प्लस आसिला दैट इज इंटरनली जदी माइनस आसिला तो माइनस टा उठे देगिरी दैट इज ता कोन लिखिया में इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल लिखा हो मानकर आसिला -5:3 दिस इज इंटरनली माइनस उठेले 5:3 एक्सटर्नली खाली प्लस आसला 5:3 दैट इज इंटरनली दी रेशियो जी प्लस आसला दैट इज इंटरनली दी रेशियो जी माइनस आसला माइनस टा उठे देगिरी ता कोन करा हो एक्सटर्नली लिखिबो हले ओके देखो दिस इज a point भाव दिस इज b point दिस इज कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 दिस इज कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2 ओके दिस इज x एक्सिस तो ये है सपोज r तो r डिवाइड्स let r proof let r divides ab in the ratio lambda is to 1 internally therefore r is equal to r divides ab देखो r divides ab this is lambda and this is 1 तो r is equal to lambda into x2 plus x1 divided by lambda plus 1 comma lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1 since r lies on x axis so y coordinate is 0 therefore lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1 is equal to 0 तो implies lambda y2 plus y1 is equal to 0 implies lambda y2 is equal to minus y1 implies lambda is equal to minus y1 by y2 तो lambda is to 1 पहले minus y1 by y2 is to 1 और इसी को minus y1 is to y2 okay therefore required ratio is minus y1 is to what y2 okay another note 2 the ratio in which y-axis divide the line segment joining a bracket रे x1 y1 and b bracket रे x2 y2 in the ratio lambda is to 1 internally, sorry, in the ratio minus x1 is to x2 minus x1 is to x2 internally. ओके माइनसटा उठे दबा प्लस आसले इंटरनली माइनस आसले माइनस उठे दिखे एक्सटर्नाल लिखिबो. ओके एग्जांपल देखो एबे देयर इज ए क्वेश्चन इफ द पॉइंट 04 divides the line segment joining -4,10 and 2,1 internally. Ratio not given. Find the point which divides it externally in the same ratio. Same ratio रे तो हम रेशियो बाहर करिबा जो रेशियो आसीबो से रेशियोटा को कौन करे हम एक्सटर्नली यूज करिबा तो पॉइंटटा बाहर करिबा. ओके सॉल्यूशन देखो टिके लेट द पॉइंट P ब्रैकेट रे 0,4 divide the line segment joining -4,10 A naba and B bracket रे 2,1 internally in the ratio lambda is to 1. Therefore देखो भाव दिस इज A point, दिस इज B, दिस इज P. तो आर कोऑर्डिनेट -4,10 आर कोऑर्डिनेट है 2,1 दिस इज 0,4. तो ये है लैम्बडा इज टू 1. ओके देयरफॉर AP by PB BP is equal to lambda by 1. Okay, so implies lambda into 2 plus lambda into 2 plus 1 into -4 divided by lambda plus 1 comma lambda into 1 plus 1 into 10 divided by lambda plus 1 is equal to P रो कोऑर्डिनेट 0,4 is equal to lambda x2 plus 1 x1 by lambda plus 1 comma lambda y2 plus 1 into y1 by lambda plus 1 is equal to 0,4. So implies 2 lambda minus 4 by lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. So this implies 2 lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. So implies lambda is equal to 2. That implies lambda is to 1 means 2 is to 1 ratio. 2 is to 1 ratio internally thila. 2 is to 1 ratio. So this is the ratio. 2 is to 1 ratio internally. Okay. Next question is find the point which divides it externally in the same ratio. तो यहाँ को एक्सटर्नली इन द सेम रेशियो ना पड़ो. तो ए दिहला बी दिहला हमको कौन ना रेशियो ना पड़ो. फाइंड द पॉइंट क्यू भाव. तो क्यू लाइज आउटसाइड ए बी. नेक्स्ट कौन आस क्यू. लेट क्यू डिवाइड्स ए ब्रैकेट रे -4,10 एंड बी ब्रैकेट रे 2,1 इन द रेशियो जहाँ आसला 2:1 एक्सटर्नाली कही एक्सटर्नाली. ओके देयरफॉर कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ क्यू इज इक्वल टू देखो दिस इज ए दिस इज बी दिस इज क्यू. तो दिस इज 2 दिस इज 1. तो ए रो कोऑर्डिनेट -4,10 बी रो कोऑर्डिनेट 2,1. तो क्यू आना तो 2 into mx2 2 into 2 mx2 minus nx1 minus 1 into -4 divided by 2 plus 1 2 minus 1 comma my2 2 into 1 minus 1 into 10 divided by 2 minus 1. mx2 minus nx1 ये x1 y1 this is x2 y2 डाला m this is n तो mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Next my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So 2 into 4 4 plus 4 8 8 by 1. Next 2 minus 10 8 minus 8 by 1. So this is 8 comma minus 8. So coordinate of q is 8 comma minus 8. Okay. Next one, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Let capital A bracket x1 y1 b bracket x2 y2 c bracket x3 y3 are three vertices of a triangle. Coordinates are given. Then we need to find the area of the triangle. Okay, ठीक अच्छी. The area of the triangle ABC, where A having coordinate x1 y1, B having coordinate x2 y2 and C having coordinate x3 y3 is half into mod of, because area is positive, mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Remember this formula: 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 3 1 2. सर्कुलर वे है नहीं एति स्क्वायर यूनिट. ओके, डेल्टा नोजन एरिया कहले आल्सो वी कैन यूज अनदर फार्मूला. दिस इज x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 अगेन राइट x1 y1 है यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. दिस इज मन रख x1 y1 x2 y2 मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई दिस इज x1 y2 माइनस एटा को मल्टीप्लाई कर माइनस y1 x2. ओके, तो x1 y2 आल्सो इज इक्वल हाफ इंटू mod of x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1. x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus 8% y1 x2 minus y2 x3 minus y3 x1. This is the area of the triangle. Remember this formula: x1 y2 minus y1 x2 plus x2 y3 minus y2 x3 plus x3 y1 minus y3 x1, or simply x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus y1 x2 minus y2 x3 minus y3 x1. ओके, तो ये हमारा कौन सा एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल स्क्वायर यूनिट. ओके है कि बर्तमान प्रूफ करवा है. प्रूफ देख टे प्रूफ this is x axis, this one y axis, this is origin. Okay, this is a line, this is A, B and this is C point. Okay, तो A रो कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1, B रो कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2, C रो कोऑर्डिनेट x3 y3. Find the area of the triangle ABC. Find the area of the triangle ABC. To find area of the triangle ABC, where ABC है. Okay, Simple. Draw perpendicular from A on x-axis and B on x-axis and C on x-axis. Meet at PQR. Okay. Draw AP AP, comma BQ and CR perpendicular to x-axis and meet at P, Q and R respectively. Okay. तो P रो कोऑर्डिनेट देख लीजिए. P रो कोऑर्डिनेट ये है x1, 0, ये है x2, 0, दिस इज x3, 0, x3, x2, x1, x1. Okay. तो एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल ABC इज इक्वल टू area of the triangle ABC is equal to area of the triangle ABC is equal to area of the trapezium. ये trapezium APQB is a trapezium, BQRC is a trapezium, APRC is a trapezium. Okay, is equal to area of the trapeziums, area of the trapezium, what? APQB plus BQRC minus APRC. Okay. एतकर एरिया प्लस एतकर एरिया माइनस 8% एरिया इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ABC. तो एरिया ऑफ द ट्रापेजियम फॉर्मूला कौन अच्छी ना हाफ इंटू सम ऑफ द पैरेलल साइड्स इंटू हाइट. ओके, इंटू व्हाट? हाइट. ओके, अच्छा. तो इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू AP प्लस B क्यूब, AP plus B cube into height means what? P cube plus half into B cube plus CR into QR ala height. Okay, next minus half into AP plus CR into PR. Okay, so is equal to half is common, half into what is AP? AP means y1. AP means what? y1. This is y1. B cube means y2. P cube means x2 minus x1. Plus B cube y2. CR y1. CR is y1 into QR x3 minus x2. Minus half common place. AP means y1. CR y3 into PR x1 x3 minus x1 PR. Okay, simplify देखा तो इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू देखो मोड ऑफ करिया में y1 इंटू देखो y1 इंटू x2 माइनस x1 प्लस y2 इंटू x2 माइनस x1 प्लस y2 इंटू x3 माइनस x1 प्लस y1 y1 y2 this is y2 y3 this is y2 y3 y2 this is y3 this is y3. Okay, तो y2 into x3 minus x2 x3 minus x2 x3 minus x2 x3 minus x2. Okay, plus y3 into x3 minus x1 minus y1 into x3 minus x1 minus y3 into x3 minus x1. तो इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू देखो ये ला y1 ठीक है y1 इंटू y1 कमन काट दिए दुईटारू कमन करा देखो x2 minus x1 minus x3 plus x1 minus x3 plus x1 plus y2 कॉमन कर देले x2 minus x1 plus x3 minus x2 plus y3 into x3 minus x1 minus x3 plus x1 ताले खड़ी x1 कैंसिल x2 को x2 कैंसिल x3 के x3 कैंसिल तो हाफ इंटू तो y1 इंटू x2 माइनस x3 प्लस y2 इंटू x3 माइनस x1 प्लस y3 इंटू x1 माइनस y3 इंटू सॉरी दिस इज y3 x3 माइनस x1 y3 इंटू x2 दिस इज x2 तो दिस इज x2 तो x2 माइनस 1 माइनस x3 माइनस y3 इंटू x2 माइनस x1 y3 इंटू x2 माइनस x1 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2 हुआ था 2 3 1 ये 3 1 2 हुआ था 3 1 2 ठीक है y1 इंटू x2 माइनस x1 x3 माइनस x2 x3 माइनस x1 है x3 माइनस x1 तो प्लस x1 आसला y3 करले x3 माइनस x3 माइनस x2 प्लस x1 x2 सॉरी 1 आला x1 तो ये x1 माइनस x2 ओके तो हाफ इंटू y3 इंटू x2 माइनस x3 y1 इंटू x2 माइनस x3 प्लस y2 इंटू x3 माइनस x1 प्लस y3 इंटू x1 माइनस x2 ओके और यू मे राइट हाफ इंटू x1 इंटू y2 माइनस y3 प्लस x2 इंटू y3 माइनस y1 प्लस x3 इंटू y1 माइनस y2 ये भी हो पार है बोलर मोड दब बिकज दिस इज एरिया तो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव टेकिंग पॉजिटिव वैल्यू तो ये एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ABC ओके नोट area of the triangle OAB where O is 0 0 origin, A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2 is half into mode of कौन देखा सीटा y1 x2 माइनस x1 y2 y1 x2 माइनस x1 y2 एति स्क्वायर यूनिट ओके x1 y2 है फर्स्ट पॉइंट सेकंड पॉइंट इफ एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ABC is 0 if area of the triangle ABC is 0 then ABC are collinear then the points A B C are collinear कौन है जीवे collinear है जीवे ओके नेक्स्ट 3 area of quadrilateral हला with vertices x1 y1 comma x2 y2 comma x3 y3 and x4 y4 is half into what? Use this formula x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 out x1 y1 ओके और हाफ इंटू x1 y2 प्लस माइनस y1 x2 माइनस y1 x2 प्लस x2 y3 माइनस y2 x3 प्लस x3 y4 minus y3 x4 plus x4 y1 minus y4 x1. ओके ये है आंसर एतिकी स्क्वायर यूनिट ओके स्क्वायर यूनिट ठीक अच्छे सिमिलर एरिया ऑफ द पॉलीगॉन 4 area of n sided polygon is equal to half into this way x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 dot dot xn yn again after x1 y1 एतिकी स्क्वायर यूनिट एरिया ऑफ n sided polygon n this is n this is y1 again repeat haba x1 y1 last x1 y1 last rohutho hala ele area of the kona polygon okay there is a question show that the points 3 3 h comma 0 and 0 comma k are collinear if 1 by h plus 1 by k is equal to 1 by 3 okay proof dekhata hale given the points 3 3 comma h comma 0 and 0 comma k are collinear. Collinear means the area of the triangle, that is the area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle is 0. Okay, so let A 3 3 B H 0 C 0 K. तो एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल ABC हाफ इंटू डिटरमिनेंट हाफ इंटू कौन आसी मोड ऑफ x1 इज 3 x1 इंटू y2 माइनस y3 प्लस मतलब ये फॉर्मूला पकड़ दिया गोटे 3 3 h 0 0 k ओके तो इज इक्वल टू हाफ इंटू 0 माइनस 3 है 0 माइनस 3 है आउ थे 3 3 3 3 h 0 0 के अगेन 3 3 0 माइनस 3 h प्लस h के माइनस 0 प्लस 0 माइनस 3 के ओके दैट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट 1 by 2 into h k minus 3h minus 3k. Since area is equal to 0, this implies half into h k minus 3h minus 3k is equal to 0. Okay? So implies 3h minus plus 3k is equal to hk. So implies dividing both sides by 3hk, dividing both sides by 3hk तो कौन होगा 3h by 3hk plus 3k by 3hk is equal to hk by 3hk तो get 1 by k plus 1 by h is equal to 1 by 3 hence proved. Okay, in next class we shall discuss centroid of the triangle, in center, circumcenter and slope of a line, inclination and slope. Okay.